So first years, this time we're back to some more 1 point perspective sketching. You can see I've made a couple of shapes. You could try and turn them into something like I've done here to make them into little animals. The one thing I want you to really focus on this time, based on your previous work, is I want you to try and, if you can, improve the line quality, that is light lines and dark lines, improve the accuracy. You can see I've already got a bit wrong up here, and also focusing on parallel lines. So this was something that some people in the class struggled with a little bit last time. So you can see I've drawn this kind of sort of fish shape, and I've taken all of the edges back to the vanishing point, including the one up at the top here that you can only see a little bit of. When you're doing the parallel line, so for example this edge here, I would line that up and I would simply slide that back towards the vanishing point. That then tells me where that line's going to be. Similarly, I can line that up there, slide it back towards the vanishing point, and I can draw in my second line. The back of the tail part, this one, back towards the vanishing point. And I can go on and do that with all of my lines. What should happen is these lines here, particularly the ones that go to the vanishing point that are not part of the actual shape, they should be a little bit lighter. Okay, so when you're doing this, ideally it should be the case that when we're finished, we've darkened in the actual object, but these lines are either rubbed out or are an awful lot lighter than the lines that are the actual object. A couple of lines on my shape here that I want to draw attention to. These ones here are very fiddly and difficult because they're pointing, the lines are going almost in the same direction as the lines that go to the vanishing point. These ones here, this point and this point, they both went along the same edge, so that's why you can't see two edges there. And I've just noticed there's also one up there that I should have done, so heading back towards the vanishing point but not all the way through. So your job today is to try and create some creatures in 1 point perspective. Try and limit yourself to straight-sided, flat-sided creatures. Okay?